Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to quickly export your videos from Adobe Premiere Pro. For example, if you completed your editing and if you want to export, for example, I want to export this portion. So simple, right? There is an icon here. So click on this quick export. Super cool. So here is the default MP4 conversion and this is the settings of this video file. So totally 1142 MB. So it's a 4K resolutions and 60 FPS and it is in H264 format. So if you want to change the settings, right, any of the settings, you can select it. It's a quick export. Default name is set, and if you want to change the location and name, you can change it. So enter the name, quick export, Adobe Premiere. Just I'm naming it like that, and just tap save. So name is changed and location also selected, and then click on export. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can quickly export your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.